Hello and welcome. Let's explore the fascinating human body in this 42-question quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge and uncover the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Let's go. Which acid causes muscle cramps? Lactic acid. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes bone in the middle ear. What is the main function of the respiratory system? To facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and environment. True or false? Pressing your thumb to the roof of your mouth will ease the pain of brain freeze from icy drinks. True. The funny bone is actually what type of anatomical part? A nerve. Lanulae are small whitish half circles visible on what part of the body? Fingernails. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum. What type of muscle is found in the heart? Cardiac muscle. What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur. Which gland regulates metabolism in the body? The thyroid gland. What is the name of the fluid that lubricates joints in the body? Synovial fluid. What is the body's largest organ? Skin. What is the medical term for the windpipe? The trachea. What is the pigment responsible for the colour of human skin, hair and eyes called? Melanin. Which part of the human brain is responsible for emotions and long-term memory? The hippocampus. What is the main function of the kidneys in the human body? To filter waste products from the blood and regulate fluid balance. Which bodily response is a holdover from animal ancestors dealing with cold? Goosebumps. Which organ produces insulin in the body? The pancreas. What is the scientific term for the voice box? The larynx. What is the average resting heart rate for adults? Approximately 60 to 100 beats per minute. True or false? Veins look blue because your unoxygenated blood in them is blue. False. Where are red blood cells created? In the bones. How many traditional senses does a human have? Five. True or false? Stress can lead hair to turn grey. True. What is the name of the substance that the body overproduces in an allergic reaction to pollen? Histamine. Renal refers to which part of the body? The kidneys. Which bone in the human body has the scientific name scapula? Shoulder blade. Which part of the human skeleton will you find the sacrum, ilium, and pubis? The pelvis. Where on your face is the philtrum? Below your nose. Which part of the body are the trapezius muscles located? The back. Where exactly in the human body are the intercostal muscles? Between the ribs. What is the name of the chief muscle used for breathing? Diaphragm. What is the small pocket of fluid within the upper layers of the skin called? A blister. What organ famously has very little function in humans? Appendix. Where in the human body do you find the protein keratin? Hair. The bicuspid valves and tricuspid valves are found where? The heart. Where in the human body is bile stored? The gallbladder. Gingivitis affects which part of the body? Gums. The third molars in a human being are commonly known by what name? Wisdom teeth. What are the bones called that make up a spine? Vertebrae. Which colour blood cells fight infection? White. How many bones do babies have when they are born? 300.
Thank you for joining us. Please do us a huge favor and like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know how you went in the comments so we can keep making this for you.